odd and even. Count the blocks and write the number. Circle odd or even below each set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is an odd number. 1. 1 is an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is an odd number. 1, 2. 2 is an even number. 1, 2, 3. 3 is an odd number.